Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. The challenges of manual smoke testing. There are also many challenges to performing smoke testing manually, and these account for why many companies choose to use automated smoke testing where possible. Manual smoke testing is thorough, but it's also very time-consuming. Manual smoke tests take time. Manual smoke tests take considerably longer to complete than automated tests, and they require much more of your team's attention. Manual tests can't be run too often. Because of the sheer amount of time and resources that manual smoke tests require, they can't be carried out as regularly as automated smoke tests. There's always room for error. Because humans carry out manual testing, there's always the possibility that errors can be made during manual smoke tests. When to use manual smoke testing? Manual smoke testing is most commonly used in smaller teams which may not have the resources to spare engineers for automated smoke testing, or in cases where additional human insight and judgment are wanted or needed. For this reason, manual smoke testing is often implemented in smoke tests at the integrational level. Automated smoke testing. Automated smoke testing can be implemented by software engineers with the coding skills necessary to create and run a series of relevant use cases for each software build. Automated smoke testing is much faster than manual testing, usually taking no longer than 30 to 60 minutes, and it can be carried out in the background while all members of the development and QA team continue their daily tasks. For this reason, automated smoke testing has become commonplace in the software industry as more and more firms seek to improve workplace efficiency. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.